Hey guys, I want to make a video to cover some of the issues that I've had trying to deploy a SQLite database on an application, or publish, I mean. And when I was trying to find the solution to this problem, when I was doing some research on it last week, I had a lot of trouble finding good, clear information. And I'm just thinking it doesn't need to be that difficult. So I'd like to help explain the issue I had and show you how to fix it. Um, so the video I did eventually find, I'm going to link it in the description. It was good. It was not in English. The Visual Studio was in a different language, so I had a little bit of trouble understanding it myself. But it did eventually make through it. But hopefully for all you guys who speak English and maybe don't want to watch a whole 7-minute video, I can cover that a bit more quickly for you. All right. So you can see right here, I have a very basic application set up to just store some very simple data, right? I'm just storing a plant name, which it's not really much, and then I can just delete, right? I can just delete the plant. I can add and delete here. Okay, so it's just a very simple application. It does do this, and it stores all its data through a SQLite database. So it's all wired up and ready to go. All right, so you'll find that, however, when I go to publish this application and then actually run it, you'll see that I get this error, this SQLite.Interop.dll. Okay, and I'm sure that's the reason you clicked on this video is this error you're having right here. Um, so how do you fix this, right? And when I was looking at this, there was a couple different things you had to do. So you of course need to make sure all the right packages are installed, but generally, if they're not installed, it's just not even going to run in debug, okay? So to fix this issue as it's happening upon publish, we need to go to build, and one of the first things we need to do is we need to turn off this prefer 32-bit, okay? And then if you're not sure how to actually get to this, it is the project properties, build, and then under platform target, under the general tab, this prefer 32-bit, and just turn that off, okay? So that is not the only thing. I'm just going to show you again right now. That is not going to solve your issue. If you publish and run this, right, you still have the same error, okay? So this is how you actually solve it. So we need to go in here and we need to add two folders. We need to add an x64 and an x86, okay? And what we're going to do with those is we need to add that DLL into there. So if you go to existing item, you're not going to be able to see it from the Solution Explorer. So you actually need to find it on your desktop or on your actual file manager here. And I'm just going to find my projects. You can see those two folders I just created. But we need to go into the debug as it's working in the debug. And the DLL will be under one of these folders. So just to show you the path again, it's that bin debug times 64 times 86. It doesn't make a difference which one you pull out of. So if you pull out of the times 64 or the times 86, I have not had issues. You can just pull the same one over into that file and you should have no issues. Okay, so there you go. So now we have the DLL and the times 64 and the times 86. Now that is the solution. That's really it. It's not that difficult. It should be a very short video, hopefully. But let me just show you that it does work. Right? Let me publish this. Uh, Now, if anybody's had trouble with copying those DLLs over, and maybe you're on an 86 system or something, and it's not working for you, maybe just try copying them from a different folder. I have not had issues with it yet. But you can see now my form has launched on the desktop with no errors, right? I can do everything I could before. Well, maybe now I'm having issues. This is not the most robust form I've built here, but that's okay. So, but you can see I've solved the issue with or I've shown you the solution to the issue here. So hopefully that helps you guys. Hopefully this is a short video and it just lets you get on with it. So all right, you guys have a good one.